Hi, I'm Scott Colby, the creator of the 63-Day Fit for Photos Challenge, where we take real women like you and make them look hot for professional photo shoots in just 9 weeks. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a mom of 5 or a busy professional that hasn't exercised in years. It doesn't matter if you're 25 or 65. By the end of the 63 days, you will look and feel sexy, fit, and confident, and have a stunning photo shoot that will make your friends jealous. Now just imagine what it would feel like to finally be free of all of your excess weight. And imagine what it would feel like not to be frustrated with all of the diet and fitness programs that haven't worked for you in the past. If you follow my 63-day fat loss system as outlined, you will look hot for a photo shoot by the end of the program. Now that's the honest truth. This is no fluff, no excuses program. I've been in the fitness industry too long, for over a decade, to know exactly what works and what doesn't. And I've distilled all my research into the quickest fat loss transformation program that I know of. So here's the deal. I'm looking for 30 women to coach through the next round of the 63-Day Fit for Photos Challenge. You'll have me and my team coaching you every step of the way. Plus, you'll look beautiful at the end for your photo shoot, which is your reward to yourself to show off your dedication and your new body that you should and will be really proud of. Your pictures will capture how strong, dedicated, and persistent you are. Now, I'm probably a little biased because I developed the program, and I think it's the best out there. So let's check out what a few past members had to say. I want to introduce you to Krista, Nikki, and Helen. Now, Krista is a working mom to 3 kids, including twins under 1. Here's what she had to say. I signed up for Fit for Photos because I was desperate to get back into shape after my twin pregnancy. All the other programs and diets weren't working, and I couldn't find the motivation to stick with them. My self-confidence was at an all-time low due to how I felt about my appearance and my struggles managing such a hectic life. My results? I went from a size 8 to a 2 and have not been this toned and in shape since high school. I also had a blast at my photo shoot, and my self-esteem has improved so much it's positively impacted many other areas of my life. Now, when Nikki joined, she said, I finally decided to get out of my comfort zone and make me a priority. By doing so, she was able to replace her size 12 jeans for a size 6, all in just 63 days. Now, before joining Fit for Photos, Helen suffered physical and mental pain in the worst ways possible. It prevented her from going out with friends or having intimate relationships, and her health was suffering. She was on a downward spiral. Here's what Helen had to say. The moment I joined Fit for Photos was the day I reclaimed my life. As I shed the pounds, I shed my shell that had grown so thick, and my confidence grew deeper, and I became stronger outside and in. Let's review exactly what's in this program. You'll get a full 9 weeks of fat-burning workouts that will also have you building lean, sexy muscle at the same time. You're going to get video clips of each exercise so you know how to perform them. You'll get 9 weeks of fat-burning meal plans telling you exactly what to eat at each meal, and over 50 fat-burning recipes so you'll never get bored with your meals. We'll provide you with an online food and workout journal so we can keep track of your progress each day, and you'll have a private Facebook support group, and my team and I will be there to coach you and answer your questions daily. So you're probably wondering how much of an investment you'll be making to join the program. Now here's the scoop. An average personal training session is about $75. So if you wanted to work with a trainer 3 days a week for 9 weeks, you'll be paying $2,025. And they don't usually communicate with you unless you're working out with them. In this program, you'll have access to me and my team in the Facebook support group to ask us questions on a daily basis. You'll be getting coaching from me and my team to answer your personal questions and to help you along the way. This is a very highly supportive and engaging program, but you're not going to have to pay the $2,000 that it would cost you to work with a trainer. The price is only $499, and that includes the daily coaching, the workouts, diet, and meal plan, and the support group. That comes out to just $7.92 a day. You're probably already spending that on your daily latte and blueberry muffin at Starbucks, right? Now think about all the time and money you've wasted on programs that didn't work. The gym memberships, the pills, the diet foods, the exercise gadgets, the supplements. The list could go on and on. Now I don't know how much money you've spent in the past, but you may have wasted thousands of dollars in months or even years of your life. And look where it's gotten you. Now you have a choice. You can continue to waste your time and money on programs that don't work, or you can join a step-by-step system that's been proven to work over and over again. The choice is yours. So grab one of the remaining spots right now by clicking the button to join us. Remember, space is limited, so I urge you to join us immediately. I can't wait to work with you and to help you rock your goals.